Have some leftover wine? Don't let it go to waste. Saving it for later is simple. Just remember one thing: wine is extremely sensitive to oxygen. As wine oxidizes, fresh fruit flavors become nutty, flat, and stale, just like you'd see with a freshly cut apple. But we can extend the life of the unfinished bottle by reducing the ratio of oxygen to wine. Any clean, non-reactive, airtight vessel will do. Think plastic, glass, or aluminum, and get creative. Now put it in the fridge. Red or white, the cold helps slow the oxidation process. It should last a few days to a week, depending on the wine and your personal taste. Pro tip: save wine for cooking by pouring it into an ice cube tray and freezing it. And now you know how to save your leftover wine.